From now on, we will go to exit 3 of Myeongdong subway station from Namsan cable car. Ready? Go! Exit the Namsan cable car entrance and go straight. Korea is loved by many people as a travel destination with its unique culture and various charms. Korea is an attractive travel destination where Eastern culture and modernization coexist in harmony, and it is a destination that many people dream of. Now, go down to the stairs on the left. The unique atmosphere where history and modernity coexist, delicious food culture, beautiful natural scenery, and friendly and safe travel environment represent the charm and advantages of Korean travel and are considered recommended destinations for many people. Where have you decided to go for your next tourist destination? If you haven't decided on the next tourist destination, I recommend Myeongdong, which is close to Myeongdong subway station. It's going to the right from here. From here, you can follow the yellow block on the floor. Myeongdong is one of the primary shopping districts in Seoul. The two main streets meet in the center of the block, with one beginning from Myeongdong subway station and the other from Lotte department store at Yeoljiro. Many brand name shops and department stores line the streets and alleys. Common products for sale include clothes, shoes, and accessories. Unlike Namdaemun or Dongdaemun, many designer brands are sold in Myeongdong. In addition, several major department stores have branches here, including Lotte Department Store, Shinsegae Department Store, Myeongdong Migliore, Noon Square, and M Plaza. The department stores carry many premium labels and other fashionable goods at reasonable prices. Myeongdong also has family restaurants, fast food, plus Korean, Western, and Japanese dining options. Many restaurants in Myeongdong specialize in pork cutlet and kalguksu. Other businesses in the area include hair salons, banks, and theaters. Myeongdong Cathedral, located in the middle of downtown Seoul, is also the Seoul Archdiocese Cathedral and has become a symbol of the presence of the Korean Catholic Church. Now, Myeongdong Cathedral continues to reach the global community with prayer and missionary work. Myeongdong Cathedral is Korea's first brick church built in the Gothic style. The structure retains the pure Gothic style without any decorations. For those who have already been to Myeongdong, I recommend Namdaemun Market. If you leave Myeongdong Station on the subway and go one stop, you can arrive at Hohaeon Station and visit Namdaemun Market. Opened in 1964, Namdaemun Market is the largest traditional market in Korea, with shops selling various goods. All products are sold at affordable prices, and the stores in this area also function as wholesale markets. Namdaemun Market is even open overnight, from 11 p.m. to 4 a.m., and is crowded with retailers from all over the country. When day breaks, the sight of busy shoppers bustling around the market creates a unique scene that attracts tourists worldwide. Namdaemun Market sells a variety of clothes, glasses, kitchenware, toys, mountain gear, fishing equipment, stationery, fine arts, accessories, hats, carpets, flowers, ginseng, and imported goods. An average of 300,000 people visit Namdaemun Market a day, where tradition and present exist and are full of life. Geographically, it is close to major buildings in Seoul, such as Shinsegae Department Store and Bank of Korea, as well as tourist attractions such as Yeongdong-gil, Myeongdong, Namsan Seoultower, and Namsan Hanok Village, making it a popular attraction for foreigners visiting Seoul. People are heading to nearly 10,000 stores starting from Sunyemin Gate. Namdaemun Market has both wholesale and retail functions, providing low-priced products to retailers and consumers nationwide, and is visited not only by domestic retailers, but also by people from all over the world, including China, Japan, Southeast Asia, Europe, the United States, and the Middle East. You can see exit 3 of Myeongdong subway station in front. In Korea, many convenience stores, restaurants, malls, and ATMs are open 365 days a year. You can buy things, including food and drinks, withdraw cash, and charge your transportation cards even in the wee hours of the night. Feel the happiness of your trip while looking at the scenery of an unfamiliar street. We finally arrived at exit 3 of Myeongdong subway station. I hope you enjoy the rest of your trip. See you in the next video. See ya!